Hello everyone, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today we're going to have a look at the 2020 Lexus NX 300 in ultra white. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 235 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The signature Lexus spindle grille complements the front end with triple-beam LED headlights for a sleek and modern look. Stepping inside with keyless entry, your door panel features your power windows, mirrors, and door locks, as well as your memory seat settings. To the left of the steering wheel, you'll find the automatic high beam, blind spot monitor, heated steering wheel, panoramic view monitor, and trunk buttons. The front cabin is covered in circuit red leather seats with 10-way power adjustable and lumbar support. The F-Sport leather-wrapped steering wheel has your paddle shifters, voice commands, recognition, audio, and cruise controls, and above a multi-information display with all the important information at a glance. You also have a heads-up display so you never have to take your eyes off the road. The infotainment center is equipped with navigation, audio, and climate controls, as well as manual climate controls below with heated and ventilated seat options. Drive mode selector and shifter along with your electronic park brake and trackpad for your infotainment center. Here you have dual cup holders, and in the center console you have a wireless charging pad along with some additional storage and charging ports. And up top is your power tilt and slide sunroof and controls. Moving into the back, the rear seats are very spacious and comfortable. The center offers climate vents and charging ports for your passengers, as well as a pull-down armrest with dual cup holders. For added convenience, the rear seats offer a 60/40 split folding design. Heading to the back, you can use your key fob or the button just above the license plate to lift the tailgate. The thoughtfully designed cargo space maximizes both style and utility. You have a sleek removable cover shade to conceal belongings or protect them from direct sunlight. You also have a protective mat and extra carpet, and hidden under the floor houses your spare tire and tools. Above is your power liftgate, close, and lock buttons. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton and experience amazing. Let us find the vehicle best suited for you.